So we need fresh milk. This is as fresh as you can get. Seriously, how hard could it be, right? So I'm off to get the milk myself. I tried. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Now, guys, I'm determined to love Arno Gale. Yeah, Gale Arno, Arno Gale. Arno Gale. So we've already been to one camel farm where we got a whole lot of camel milk, and that was great. But I want to get regular milk. So we're heading off to a different camel farm. At the moment, we're heading up a hill somewhere, and we're going to check out another camel farm to be able to get our regular fresh Arno Gale. And then I'm going to make smoothies, and I'm determined to try and make the taste be good and get very, very healthy. So wish me luck. So after the last time we went to the camel's farm and we got some camel milk, I actually tried a little bit of a taster test to see how it would go in my early morning coffee. So usually I have UHT milk, which comes from Dubai, because unfortunately that's kind of all you can get in Hargeisa. There is no fresh dairy for cow's milk. So the UHT milk, if you have a bit of a sensitivity to that, often because the UHT milk is heated to such high temperatures, in order for it to have a long shelf life. But what ends up happening is the enzymes get destroyed. These are some of the enzymes that are used to help break down the proteins in the milk. So if you don't have that, then sometimes it gives you a bit of a tummy problem. So I decided that actually, let me try the camel's milk to try and find an alternative, but it was really horrible. So I'm not going with that. Then I tried something better, which was to make a smoothie, and I'll share the ingredients with you, and it was so much better. I'd be able to have smoothies every day. This camel milk has been making my tummy feel so great, and I highly recommend it. So that's why we had to go to this camel farm to get our regular milk. So the ingredients is the protein powder, Nutella, bananas, maybe a little bit of honey if you wish, and of course the liquid gold, the camel milk. Good, doesn't it? Okay, we're heading up this hill somewhere.
Oh, you know, remember this one we're coming to.
Did we?
Yes, for a garden with
okay.
You know, I know this is the new masala area, yes?
مسلا مش عنها.
No. This like
So we saw this view at night time.
yeah.
Now Nadifa is reminding me of the time that we did come up here one evening, and you can see that the view was awesome and the lights of Hargeisa was just absolutely gorgeous.
If you see the back,
Wow.
you see whole of Hargeisa.
Amazing.
It's very good for like evening.
So it is quite a journey going out of town to go get your camel milk, and you may ask, really, why are you bothering to travel so far to get your fresh camel milk, where you can get this camel milk in Hargeisa. There are stands on the side of the road where there are people selling the camel milk in plastic bags. For me, when I see them on the side of the road and they're sitting in the sun there, I don't know how long they've been there. And I've also heard of other little stories of cheeky people putting some water, mixing it with the camel milk. So I just want to know exactly where my milk's coming from, know that it's as fresh as it can be, and get it home and put it in the fridge as soon as I can.
So it's been quite a long, considerable drive. The road is not that great, so it is taking some time. It's all more addictive. Good. Okay, but it's part of the adventure, right? You don't get anything without doing some hard work to get it. So we're up for the challenge. Okay. Off we go. Okay, Jamal, show me in our new camel milk location. Okay, here we go. Great. Okay. Hello. Look how beautiful they are.
Now we've really come a bit of an awkward time, really, because we have been told that you either come early in the morning or you go late in the evening. That's kind of when they do the milking of the camels. So we're really hoping, fingers crossed, that we're able to get some, even though we know we're coming at the wrong time.
Can we get inside?
Yeah, can we? I don't know. Ask.
Maybe in the hump.
Abdi Fatah, what's wrong with this camel? Why is its hump falling over? Is that how all of them go?
Yeah.
Oh my God. Oh, that looks like there's something wrong with it. No? Now I was noticing that a lot of these camels, that their humps were falling over, like they'd flopped or deflated or something, and it was really concerning because it doesn't look great. So I actually did some research about it, and camels are phenomenal creatures actually. So they store all their fat in their humps. So some people believe that they store their water, but that's actually not true. They have fat stores in their humps. So they can store up to 36 kilos worth of fat in their humps. And because they actually don't store fat anywhere else in their body, just in their humps. So when times are tough, they can actually live off their humps for quite a period of time, for weeks or for months. So obviously these camels have been using up their fat stores. But the great thing is that once things get, the landscape gets better, and I've been told that when the rainy season comes around Eid time, things will be green and lush again. They're actually able to replenish that fat, and they're good as gold again. I thought that perhaps something was not right, and they're not feeling very not well. Yeah, we will in a minute, darling. So because we've come at maybe like 10 o'clock in the morning, it's really the wrong time to come and get milk. So sadly, they've told us that we need to come back at like an hour and a half, which that's just not going to happen. So up to Fatah's, he's trying hard to see if we can get some Anna or Gail while we're here, because we'll be super sad that we've taken this big journey and not get any fresh milk. But anyway, so we're going to try our best to see if we can get some fresh milk. Hello, little baby. Jamal, it's so cute. And I think it's really, really new. We'll have to ask them how old that baby is.
30 years.
Oh, I think it's like days old. Yeah? Yeah. Oh, it needs a little rest. You've had a big day, Mummy. Hey. What do you think, Jamal? Yeah? Oh, yes. My head's in it. So the more I was researching about these flopping humps, the more I found out some, amazing information about the actual fat that is inside these humps. Now, I know that when we've gone to families' places and they put on a beautiful lunch for us, I really appreciate it. And they bring out a bit of camel fat as a delicacy to hand to me. And I'm really wanting to be grateful, right? But really, I'm like, no, I'm really, really so fine. You enjoy that camel fat. And they do, right? They really love it. But actually, the more I read about it, it's so full of fatty acids, vitamins, minerals. It's actually been described as a superfood. So not only the milk, but the fat of a camel is an amazing superfood. Now, the guys that work here at this camel farm have just been so wonderful, because we've come at a time that it's not a busy time. It's not when they're working. So they've been such gracious hosts that they've been super excited to show us around, to take us in amongst the camels, to show us the ones that are super friendly so that the kids can pat them. So they've just been really super awesome, and I'm super grateful that they've been so kind as to show us around and let us go in and see everything. Even though, of course, I'm still quite cautious because, they've got some serious legs there. If they want to have a bit of a kick, they're going to do some damage. But anyway, my new friend, he's saying, yep, don't be scared. Go through.
Yeah, don't be afraid.
So Jamal and I were very brave. Layla wasn't quite so brave. She was happy to stay out of the camel's pen. But anyway, over we came and got to get nice and close to this beautiful, beautiful camel. I don't know if we need Layla in here. Okay, thank you. I really think there's some milk to be had.
Yeah.
If we can you just milk one of them for me? Can you take one of them and we milk it together? Give me just a little bit of milk.
Okay, I'm going to tell him.
So I'm still pushing the point with our new friends, hoping, please. I know it's out of milking time, but can we just milk one camel so that we have some milk to take home? So even though it's quite a trek to get out here, like it clearly is such an adventure for the kids. Like it's such a lovely experience coming out here. So it's something that, we aim to do weekly so that we do have that fresh milk every week. And the kids love it. It's heaps of fun. It's just such a long drive. That's the only thing.
Oh my God.
There you go.
I don't want them to.
He's trying to take Jamal in. And Jamal, you're a little bit nervous? Yep, okay, a little bit nervous. Oh, look at these birds. Oh, okay.
Come inside.
Little baby. Layla, she's screaming. Okay, I'll carry you. Okay, Layla, come here and I'll carry you. Okay, okay, come. We'll carry you, don't you worry. I've got you, Hey, baby, it's okay. Look, it's a little baby. They won't touch you. They won't touch you. They won't touch you, don't worry. Don't worry. So, we're a little baby nursery for camels, huh? So success. I'm so happy. So our friends have said, yes, okay, it's fine. Let's milk this camel. And they're actually going to let me have a go as well. So I'm super excited. Okay. So we need fresh milk. This is as fresh as you can get. These guys seriously make it look so easy. It's okay, Mama. Can I? Okay. I'm good at it. I'm really bad at it. Oh, I'm sorry, baby. I'm not good. Sorry, darling. I tried, but it wasn't working for me. I'll leave it to the professionals. You guys are great at it.
Yeah.
I thought I was doing exactly what you guys are doing, but obviously
Yeah.
it's for you, baby. You can have it. Huh? Okay. So we can have this milk. We can buy this milk. Okay, so 15 days. 1 week. Okay, 1 week. Wow.
Yeah, all day coming.
Okay, to their mamas. Yeah. Wow. Okay, so now we're trying to find another camel because Nadifa is going to actually do some milking as well. Let's see how she goes. Layla, this way, darling. Okay, I don't mind if I've got... Oh, I do. Yeah, that's a big chunk of camel poo. I've got my dress. Yeah, thanks, Layla, for looking after me. Okay, so now Nadifa... Oh, it's a fight between the baby and Nadifa. Oh, okay. Okay, Nadifa. Okay, Nadifa. Is it working? Nadifa, you can do it. Well done. You're good at this.
You can go.
Can I try? Oh, but this baby one is upset. He's upset. He's upset. It's saying, it's my milk, leave it alone. Oh, well done, Nadifa. Okay, let's have a look. Wow, this is good. This is beautiful. Okay, so obviously if you want it fresh, come and get it yourself.
This is smell good now.
Yeah.
If the black one, I think it smells bad.
Yeah. How long does it last? Abdi Fatah, if I buy all this milk, how long is it good for in the fridge? Well, like will it be good for 1 week?
He said like like maybe
Like 1 week.
1 week.
Okay.
2 weeks maybe. Yeah.
Okay. 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 Good. Great. It's okay, Layla. It's okay, darling. It's okay. I know. Yeah. Great. Okay. So we're going to take this home, and I'm determined to make smoothies with some banana. Moss or mousse? Which one? Mousse. Maybe some Nutella and some protein. Yes, Jamal, that's great. We don't want to waste this beautiful milk. These camels have worked hard for it. Great.
Okay. This is 3.
Okay, 3 liters. Okay, good. Good. It's bigger than I thought. So I brought from home one of my own containers, and then we've obviously got the plastic bags for the other milk. And we're going to put some protein powder that we got from Dubai in there as well. So I'm going to try and feed it to the kids. See if they'll have it.
It's not
Let's not tell them.
The black one is here.
We won't tell the boys that it's camel milk. We'll just tell them it's a protein smoothie.
Okay, we got the aqua.
Okay.
This is my hot sanity say not money.
Okay. Well, Samirah had sent it for milking the cows when I know camels it's not milking time. Okay. So I appreciate them milking the camels when it's not milking time. Yes. Yes. Okay. Yes. Yeah. Thank you. Thank you. This is just gorgeous. Catch the love between a man and his camel. It's beautiful. Now, this is our weekly adventure that we are going to replicate every week. So thanks for coming along on our adventure, and we'll catch you on the next one. Okay, bye.